Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I want to give a review on a product. The product is a folding table. My father bought this from Shopee for me because I can study anywhere. The price is 22 ringgit 53 cents including postage. First of all, I love using this table for my online classes. This makes me very comfortable. On the other hand, I also like it because of its cheap price and good quality products. This helps me feel more energized during online classes. Highly recommended for students and teachers. Furthermore, I also don't need a lot of space for my online classes. Apart from that, the folding tables are a flexible option when you need furniture that is able to fit a variety of different spaces. Being able to adapt the size of your table to fit your needs can be a particularly helpful asset, and its versatility means you're likely to keep it for years. Besides that, folding tables are incredibly simple to store. Where storage space itself is restricted, folding furniture allows you to maximize what room you do have at your disposal. Also, folding tables come in a multitude of designs and styles and are freely available in a wide selection of shapes and sizes, from metal and plastic to wood finishes like maple and oak. There are many different materials used for different looks and feels.